If you are looking for luxury in Lagos, look no further because this is one, and this is not just one. This is one of one luxury apartment in Lagos. This is a beautiful two-bedroom apartment with snooker board, table tennis, and PS5. Now, you can barely see an apartment that comes with that full feature. And not only that this apartment has that feature, it also has an inbuilt speaker. It also has a swimming pool. Now, there's something about this apartment I love so much, and it is the kitchen island. I love it so much. I want you to see it. This is a nice four dining set. This is a kitchen island. This thing is marble, guys. This is marble, original interior decoration. Everything here is custom. It is custom made. You cannot see this in the market. Custom made. Everything in this apartment. Now, you know one thing I love about this apartment. It is the fact that it is an open plan kitchen and not a sliced bread, like I say, kind of open plan kitchen. It is very wide. This kitchen also comes with a washing machine, a fire extinguisher,